So this is the BOFENG metal bed frame, vintage headboard and footboard. Um, it is all metal, so all of it is like a brushed steel. It is super solid. So once you put it together, you can really shake this thing. No squeaking, no noise. Very solid. Um, it's got the footboard here, headboard here with the matching design. But my favorite part about this is it has a full set of steel slats. And they're only about 5 inches apart, as you can see here. So they're tied in here, secured in the middle, and then tied into the other side. And you've also got the stands here where they're secured in the middle. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 leg stands. And then you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 different slats going all the way across there. So it also eliminates the need for a box spring, which is huge. So what we've done is we've set a full-size mattress right on top of this bed and have had no issues whatsoever. So really nice brushed metal look, super, like I said, solid once it's all put together. No squeaking, no problems there, no box spring needed. Drop a mattress on there and you're good to go and your kids will love it. If it is for a child, you can also check out my channel. I've got a review on the Avengers bedding set as well, which is really cool and goes great on this bed. So the BOFENG metal bed frame full size with vintage headboard and footboard. Check it out. I love it.